Tech fam! Welcome back to Lara Tech. Imagine watching your favorite movies, playing games, or working on projects with a display that's so sharp and vivid, it feels like you're looking through a window. Today we're diving into the incredible world of the Ventana Micro LED 226K display. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. What is the Ventana Micro LED 226K display? Alright, let's start with the basics. The Ventana Micro LED 226K display is a state-of-the-art screen that boasts a resolution of 6K. That's over 9 million pixels. This display uses micro LED technology, which is known for its superior brightness, contrast, and energy efficiency. Unlike traditional LEDs, micro LEDs are much smaller and can produce light and color individually. This results in an unmatched viewing experience, stunning visual quality. One of the standout features of the Ventana Micro LED 226K display is its stunning visual quality. The colors are incredibly vibrant, and the blacks are truly black, not the washed-out dark grays you sometimes get with other displays. This is because each pixel is self-illuminating. So whether you're watching a dark, moody film or a bright, colorful animation, everything looks fantastic, perfect for professionals and creators. For all the professionals and creators out there, this display is a dream come true. If you work in graphic design, video editing, or any field that requires precise color accuracy, the Ventana Micro LED 226K display is perfect for you. The high resolution and exceptional color fidelity mean that you can see every detail and make adjustments with confidence. Immersive gaming experience. Gamers, listen up. The Ventana Micro LED 226K display isn't just for work, it's also for play. With its high refresh rate and low input lag, gaming on this screen is an absolute joy. The visuals are so immersive, you'll feel like you're part of the action. Plus, the micro LED technology ensures there's no screen burn-in, even during long gaming sessions. Energy efficiency. Now, let's talk about energy efficiency. Despite its incredible brightness and performance, the Ventana Micro LED 226K display is surprisingly energy efficient. Micro LEDs consume less power than traditional LEDs, which means lower electricity bills and a smaller carbon footprint. It's a win-win situation for both your wallet and the environment. Durability and longevity. Another major advantage of micro LED technology is its durability. These displays are built to last, with a much longer lifespan compared to traditional OLED or LCD screens. You won't have to worry about replacing your display anytime soon, making it a smart investment for the long term. Ease of installation and use. The Ventana Micro LED 226K display is also user-friendly. It's designed for easy installation, whether you're setting it up in your home, office, or studio. The sleek, modern design means it'll look great in any setting. Plus, it comes with a variety of connectivity options, so you can easily hook up all your devices. Cutting-edge technology. What really sets the Ventana Micro LED 226K display apart is its cutting-edge technology. This isn't just a screen, it's a piece of advanced engineering. From its ultra-high resolution to its incredible color accuracy and energy efficiency, every aspect of this display has been designed to provide the best possible user experience. The Ventana Micro LED 226K display is an amazing piece of technology that offers stunning visuals, professional-grade color accuracy, immersive gaming, energy efficiency, and long-term durability. Whether you're a professional, a gamer, or just someone who appreciates top-notch display quality, this screen is definitely worth checking out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. And if you have any questions about the Ventana Micro LED 226K display, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Big D made it.